Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the hot damn race. Really quick basic video because I already welded the flange or the wastegate because it was such a small diameter. I was feeling a little offbeat, right? It was a little difficult, so basically I was embarrassed. All right, there you have it. I was too embarrassed to do it on video, but I think I did a rather decent job. It'll work. All right, so this is going to be the wastegate location. Did we reconnect? Why me? Are we back? Somebody gives me a thumbs up if we're back. I had to reconnect for some reason. I have no idea what happened there. All right, but it happened. All right, I think we're back. I figured out how to reconnect. I had this happen before. All right, yeah, it came out. What I was saying. All right, before it disconnected. All right, the system wanted to hang the other way, so it means that it was top heavy and it wanted to flip around. After I put the wastegate on, it balanced itself out. It wants to naturally sit like this, and this is the way I want it to sit. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's going to make things a little easier. All right, so wastegate, I don't have the tubing that I should have for this, but I have been playing around with it, of course. All right, so you're going to have one hose that goes here, all right, and then one right here. When you get enough boost pressure, all right, it's going to force the air down the line to here, all right, and then it's going to open up. All right, that controls your boost pressure. All right, so what happens is of course your exhaust gases go through here, all right, and spin up, and so this thing doesn't overspin and you overboost. All right, this thing should kind of, apologize about the lighting, but it should kind of open up. I like this one, pretty good, a cheap blow-off valve, but I heard it works pretty decently. I can kind of control it or hit it open. I have it on probably 4.5, 5 PSI, and that's what it should open at anyway. All right, give it a little bit more. It'll do its job. Yep, that's it right there. Now, my plan is what I really want to do, which I might not do exactly right away because I think I want to hear this thing opening just for testing purposes when it's on the truck. All right, and so I'm gonna turn this, all right, because you can turn it on here. I have it tightened down a little bit. I'm gonna turn it, and I'm just gonna drill a hole here, pipe to here. There's a flange right here. I could weld to that pipe, and it's gonna go through here, and then right into here, and then out that way. All right, so that's how that's gonna work. All right, later on today, I should get some feed lines for the oil, so maybe I'll do a little video on that. This one's overdoing it, guys, on the check valve, but we'll talk about that. You don't have to go as pricey as I did on that. Maybe I was just a little too worried about something happening. Maybe oil, I don't know, maybe the check valve failing, but I haven't really heard of that being the case on the cheap check valves. The other thing too is when I try to order a cheap check valve, all right, out of stock for some reason, or companies just weren't selling them because of what the hell's going on, right? I don't know. So trying to get things done during this deal, and it's not easy, all right, because I'm not working. And I'm waiting for some back pay, so that sucks. But I'm gonna try to get the whole hot side done and the oil system done. Get that done, then all I gotta do is the cold side, and that should be easy breezy. Run some pipe, blow off valve. All right, get my little, you have the intake air temperature sensor, gotta plug in, bing, bing, done deal. And we'll go up front and we'll talk about the oil stuff up front when I get to there. All right, but right now we're going to do the whole hot side, and this is where we're at. We're basically almost there. I just need to complete the oil system, and it can go on the truck and, you know, spin a little bit for fun. Wouldn't recommend driving around like that, but you can do it. You want a little, you don't want this thing overclocking. You just don't want it just constantly super fast. When you have some back pressure on there, a little bit of back pressure, it helps it slow down a little bit sometimes. All right. Stop generating so much consistent heat. All right, yep, hell yeah, hot damn. Sorry, it's a little short video. Got the little blow off, or not blow off valve wastegate connected. All right, it should work. It should work. System is balanced as in weight. All right, I'm hoping this is gonna be an efficient system. All right, so you got the gases shooting through here. All right, with this closed, they're going up, turning the turbine. With it open, I'm hoping this is going to be the fastest route. So, kind of keep me safe. I don't need no over boosting and boom booms, big boom booms right now. All right, well, it ain't going on right now anyway, but yeah, that's about it. Hot damn hell yeah. Hopefully I'll get some lines in and some other little dilly-dallies I ordered today, if not tomorrow, and we'll talk about those. It's all about, might be able to get the complete run out of the oil system pretty soon for the return, so we can see how that works. All right, I'll make a little mock setup, get that going. All right, so you're understanding that. I think your return is pretty important. A lot of people have questions on that. Feed, some guys might not know, but check valve. All right, and what that does is when you turn the engine off, all right, you're not gonna have oil constantly draining into the turbo and filling it up. When you fill it up, all right, it can leak out. All right, so the idea is to get it in, lube it up, and also cools it out, cools it off. You got a big exit, all right, shoot it down into the line, and then, well, it doesn't shoot or whatever, it just falls with gravity, all right, into the line to the scavenge pump, through check valve, filters, to the motor, all right, and that's about it. And my motor is basically, it's pumping pretty hard. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do the job that I want it to do, so that is pretty good. Alrighty, fellas, hot damn hell yeah. Until the next one, I appreciate y'all. I hope you have a badass day. It's about all I can say. Yay, yay.